Yes, good morning once again. Now, today we shall demonstrate the fourth practical, that is to observe the action of four metals on following salt solutions. That is, we will take four metals: copper, zinc, aluminum, and iron, and their corresponding salt solutions will be prepared, and we will see whether these metals will react with these salt solutions or not. Okay, and based on the reaction of these metals with salt solutions, we will find out the order of reactivity of these metals. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and whatever practicals we are doing, you have to note down that practical in your practical file and keep it ready for correction when you come offline in the school. Okay, I am writing the aim. You will note down and then we will demonstrate the practical. Okay, observing the action of, to observe the action of zinc, iron, copper, and aluminium metals on the following salt solutions. Aluminium metals on the following salt solutions. They are zinc sulfate aqueous, comma, FeSO4 aqueous, CuSO4 aqueous, and aluminium sulfate. Okay, and then arrange them, and then arrange them, arrange these metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity, in the decreasing order of their reactivity, decreasing order of their reactivity, based on above result, based on above result. Okay, children, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see how
Yes,
we
sir.
have to proceed. How we have to proceed, let us see. Have you noted this practical?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now listen.
No, sir.
Okay. Demo see, now we have to have four metals. First is zinc. I'll show you. I'll show you all the metals. See, First of all, zinc metal, no? Zinc. See, these are zinc petals. Can you see this? These are zinc petals. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are zinc pellets. Then iron. Iron, we have taken iron filings. Okay? Iron filings. These are iron filings, children. I will show you. Please see. Can you see this iron filings? Can you see?
Yes,
children?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Iron
Yes,
filings.
sir.
Iron filings. Then
Yes, sir.
copper. These are copper turnings. These are copper turnings. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It has
Yes, sir.
it has browny luster appearance. Browny luster. And this is these are aluminium turnings. Aluminium. See? Can you see this? Aluminium.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the materials that we require: 4 metals and 4 salt solutions. Now we will make 4 salt solutions. I will show you. This is first we will take zinc sulfate. See, this is zinc sulfate, children. Can you see, children? This is zinc sulfate. We will take and make it solution in water. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is zinc sulfate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then second is iron sulfate. This is iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it is copper sulfate. What is the color of copper sulfate? Can anybody tell me what is?
Blue.
Blue.
Blue color.
Blue color. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes,
And
sir.
what else we require? What else we require?
Aluminium sulfate.
Aluminium sulfate. So aluminium sulfate, this is aluminium sulfate. Okay. So what do? We will prepare these aqueous salt solutions. 4 aqueous salt solutions: zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, aluminum sulfate, and iron sulfate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, these are the beakers. These are the beakers, and I'm taking some water into it. This is what. Okay. Now we will take first zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, we will prepare aqueous salt solution of zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate. This is spatula. This is spatula, and we will take see. We have added white zinc sulfate powder in water. Okay, this is, we will stir it well so that it mixes well in water. Okay. What is the color? It is
White.
colorless. Okay.
White.
White, or you can say it is colorless only. Okay, children.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
This is zinc sulfate we have prepared. I will keep it aside, zinc sulfate. Then what is the other solution that we have to prepare? Iron sulfate.
FeSO4.
Iron sulfate we will prepare. This is iron sulfate, and we will take another beaker. and we will take some water into it. Okay, and we will add iron sulfate into it. What is the color of iron sulfate, children?
Light green.
Light green. Very good. This is, you can see this is light green in color. See, and we will mix it well, stir it well so that all of iron sulfate dissolves well in water.
Sir.
Okay, so this is iron sulfate we have prepared. What is the other salt solution that we have to prepare?
Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate. Okay. Copper sulfate we will prepare. This is copper sulfate crystals, salt, and we will take water into it, water into a beaker, and we will add copper sulfate crystals. See. Copper sulfate crystals are added in water and we get a blue color copper sulfate aqueous solution. Copper sulfate aqueous solution. Okay? Okay, children, are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See. Then what is the next solution that we have to prepare?
Aluminium
Aluminium
sulfate.
sulfate.
Aluminium sulfate. Okay. This is aluminium sulfate, children. And we will take aluminum sulfate and add into water. See, we'll add more of aluminum sulfate. Okay. And we'll make sure that whole of aluminum sulfate dissolves in water. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have prepared 4 salt solutions. What are they? What are they? Colorless zinc sulfate solution, light greenish iron sulfate, blue color copper sulfate, and transparent aluminum sulfate. This is transparent aluminum sulfate, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do? Can anybody tell me what we will do, children, now? Can anybody tell me what we are going to do now? See, all of you, these are the test tubes. We will take, all of you see, we will take these salt solutions in test tubes. In the first, we will take zinc sulfate. Please pay attention. Zinc sulfate, this is, we have taken zinc sulfate. Okay. Then in second test tube, we have taken iron sulfate. This is iron sulfate, children. Then in the third one, we will take blue colored copper sulfate solution. Okay. And then in the fourth, we will take aluminum sulfate solution. Are you understanding what we are going to do, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have, please listen, we have taken We have taken 4 salt solutions in 4 test tubes, and now we are going to add 4 different metals in these 4 salt solutions. Okay. In the first, we will add which metal? Zinc. In the first, we will add zinc. See, zinc metal. In all the 4 salt solutions, we will add zinc metal. In this set of 4 test tubes, what we have added? What we have added, children? Can you tell me?
Zinc granule.
Zinc granules. We have
Granule.
added in all these 4 test tubes. This set of 4 test tubes, we have added zinc metal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, we will take another set. We will take another set of 4 test tubes. Okay. And again, we will take 4 salt solutions. 4 salt solutions we will take. This is zinc sulfate, then iron sulfate. This is iron sulfate we will take. Okay, we'll keep it here, iron sulfate. Then third one, copper sulfate, blue copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Then fourth one, which solution is left, children? Now which solution we have to add?
Aluminium sulfate.
Very good. Aluminium sulfate we will take. Okay, aluminium sulfate. This is aluminium sulfate. Now, just as we did for previous 4 test tubes, we have added zinc metal. Now we will add iron in these 4 test tubes. Iron. These are the iron filings, children. These are the iron filings. We will add iron filings in these 4 test tubes. You can see, children. And then we will observe color change. Okay, let us shake them so that they mix in the solution well. Okay. Okay, children. Now you can guess.
Yes, sir.
Now you can guess what reactions will be taking place in this set of solutions. Can you guess or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Well done. Now, in the third set, what we will do in the third set, children?
Put copper metal.
Yeah, very good. Similarly, we will take, see all of you, very good. This is another set of test tubes. We will take these 4 salt solutions. These 4 salt solutions, children. This is zinc sulfate, then iron sulfate. Where is iron sulfate? This is iron sulfate, children. This is iron sulfate. Okay. And then copper sulfate. This is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. And then see, let us first complete this set, these 2 sets of test tube, so that we can move on to the next 2 sets of test tubes. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, what have we done? We have taken, please pay attention, what we have done so far. First set of 4 test tubes, what we have taken is, see all of you, zinc sulfate aqueous plus zinc solid. What reaction has taken place, that we will see afterwards. Then second, FeSO4 aqueous, FeSO4 aqueous plus zinc metal solid. Children, this is what the only we have done or not? The same thing that we have done, we
Yes,
have
sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
You need to follow what we are doing. You need to follow what we are doing and how we are doing and what we are doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then third one, copper sulfate aqueous plus zinc sulfate. What is the reaction that takes place? We will see. Then the fourth one, Al2SO4 whole thrice. Al2SO4 whole thrice aqueous plus zinc. Now let us check. Is there any change? Is there any change? This is the first one. Please see. See, this is zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, copper sulfate, and aluminum sulfate. Now you can see, children, see, there is no major change in the 3 test tubes, but there is change in the copper sulfate solution. What does this mean? What does this mean, children?
Zinc is more
displays
reactive than
copper.
copper and hence it displaces copper.
Aqueous salt solution.
Zinc is more reactive than copper, so zinc has displaced copper from copper salt solution. And also in this also there is formation of white colorless. So that means iron is less reactive than zinc, so zinc has displaced iron from its salt solution. Okay, but there is no change in the aluminum sulfate solution. Is there any change?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So that this means that zinc is
No, sir.
not more reactive than
Aluminium.
aluminum. Okay, then on the fourth one, zinc zinc does not react with copper. Zinc sulfate also it will not react, and it will also not react with aluminum sulfate, but it will displace copper and iron. Sorry, iron. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me write. Please see. You have to note down. Please note down. Zinc sulfate, no reaction. No reaction. Then FeSO4 aqueous plus zinc.
Then SO4 plus Cu.
Very good. Zinc sulfate aqueous plus Fe solid. Okay. This is colorless. This is colorless. Then copper sulfate, then zinc sulfate aqueous plus copper solid. This is also colorless. Aluminum sulfate plus zinc. Will there be any reaction?
No reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction.
Very good, very good. Note down, please note down, children. Please note down. Based on this, we can conclude. What we can conclude, children? We can conclude, please. Have you noted?
Yes, sir. Noted.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Based on this, we can conclude that zinc is more reactive than iron and copper. Okay? Any problem in this?
No, sir.
लिख लो इसको. Based on the above reactions, it is clear that based on above reactions, it is clear that please pay attention. zinc is more reactive than copper, zinc is more reactive than iron, but zinc is less reactive than aluminum. This is what we have concluded with the fourth set of test tubes. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, with the first set of 4 test tubes, we have concluded that zinc is more reactive than copper and zinc is more reactive than iron, but it is less reactive than aluminum. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
shall I rub the board? Shall I rub the board, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us see what happens with the second set of 4 test tubes. What happens in the second set of 4 test tubes? Please see, all of you. Second set of 4 test tubes. Set of 4 test tubes. What we did? What we did in this, children? We have
We
taken
put Fe, iron metal.
very good. Zinc sulfate, aqueous plus iron solid. Then
FeSO4
FeSO4 aqueous,
plus
FeSO4 aqueous plus iron solid. Then CuSO4 aqueous plus what? Fe solid,
Fe.
and then Al2SO4 whole thrice aqueous plus iron solid. Okay. Now, will there be any reaction? Let us see. This
No,
test
sir.
tube- Here, this is the test. This is the 4 test of. This was this is aluminum sulfate. This is copper sulfate. This is iron sulfate,
Iron.
and this is zinc sulfate. Okay. So, can you guess any change? Can
No,
you see
sir.
any change? See, all of you. Zinc sulfate plus iron. Iron has become slightly colorless. Okay, because sorry, no. It has not changed. No reaction.
Yes, sir.
Will there be reaction? Any reaction will be there?
No reaction.
No, sir.
There no reaction. Now FeSO4 plus Fe, no reaction.
No reaction.
Okay. Then CuSO4 plus Fe.
Iron will
FeSO4
displace
plus
copper.
Very good. Iron has displaced copper. Okay, children. This color of copper sulfate has faded up, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So why this happens? Because it has displaced FeSO4 aqueous plus copper sulfate, copper solid. This is green in color. Okay. And will there any
Yes, sir.
aluminum sulfate? Will there any change? Is there any change? No.
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 No,
No,
reaction.
sir. No reaction.
So what we can conclude based on this? What we can conclude, children? What can be concluded? Can you tell me what can be concluded based on this?
Iron is more reactive than copper.
Very good. Shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shall I rub the board? Based on this set of reactions, we can conclude that see, iron is more reactive than copper, but iron is less reactive than aluminum. Iron is less reactive than zinc. Okay.
Zinc.
Any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now let us take the third set. Okay. What we will add in the third set, children? Can you tell me? See, this is copper
Copper.
sulfate,
We put Cu.
iron
Copper.
sulfate, and this is
Aluminum sulfate.
aluminum sulfate,
Colorless one.
and then zinc sulfate. We have to take in one more test. We have to take zinc sulfate. Okay. Here has zinc sulfate. This is zinc sulfate. Which metal will be add in this, children? Can you tell me?
Copper
Copper
metal.
metal.
Copper metal. Very good.
Copper metal.
Copper metal will be added in these 4 test tubes containing 4 salt solutions. Okay. Copper metal. Where is copper metal? This is copper metal. This is copper metal. Okay. We will add. This is iron sulfate. We are adding copper metal here. And this is copper sulfate. We are adding copper metal here. Then here it is. This is aluminum sulfate. We are adding copper metal here. And in the fourth one, we will are adding this one. See, so this is, see, this is iron sulfate, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, aluminum sulfate. So we will keep it for some time so that we can see will there any change or not. What do you expect? Will there be any change?
No, sir, no change.
reaction with all 4 solutions.
We can see.
No change.
We can see. In the meantime, let us write down the reactions. Third set. All of you please note down third set. What we have done, we have taken
Aluminum metal.
zinc sulfate. So third set. Still we are talking about third set, Manali, not fourth set.
Sorry.
This third set plus zinc solid, then iron sulfate. I'm sorry, no, this is copper we have added, na, copper metal. Aqueous plus copper metal solid, then copper sulfate aqueous plus copper solid, and then fourth one aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 whole thrice aqueous plus copper solid. Okay. Will there have any change? Will there be any change?
No change, sir.
No reaction. Okay. CSO4,
No reaction.
no reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction. Okay. Then here also will be no reaction,
No reaction.
and here also
It is
there will
also
be
no
no
reaction.
reaction.
No reaction.
What is concluded by this? That means among the
Copper
four
is
given,
less reactive metal.
Alu- Copper is less reactive.
among the 4 given metals, that is zinc, copper, aluminium, and iron, copper is the least reactive metal. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copper is the least reactive. Please write down.
Copper.
I am right.
The
I am
side
rubbing the
profile.
board. I am rubbing the board.
Just side, please.
I am rubbing the board. You all can. You already have written. Copper is, since copper cannot displace, we will write down. Since copper cannot displace any of the given metals from their salt solutions, so it is least reactive among aluminium, zinc, iron and copper. Okay, इन चारों में सबसे कम रिएक्टिव कौन है?
Copper.
Why it is so?
Copper.
Because copper cannot displace any other metal, and in the reactiveness, the metals which can displace other metals are supposed to be more reactive than a particular metal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us talk about the fourth set. Fourth set में हम लोग क्या लेंगे? What will be taken in the fourth?
Aluminum metal.
Very good. Four test tubes will take the 4 salt solutions. This is zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate I have taken. Then in the second one we will take copper sulfate. This is copper sulfate. In the third one we will take iron sulfate. This is iron sulfate, children. And in the fourth, we will take which solution? Which salt solution?
Sulfate.
Aluminium sulfate. Okay. See. So this is the fourth set. We have taken 4 salt solutions, namely zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, iron sulfate, and aluminium sulfate. Now we will add the fourth metal into this. What is the metal which we have to add into this?
Aluminium.
Aluminium.
Aluminium. Aluminium. These are the aluminium filings, children. These are the aluminium filings. Now we are going to add. See, aluminium filings. Then here copper sulfate, iron filings. Then this is iron sulfate, copper, aluminium filings. Iron sulfate, copper, aluminium filings. And this is aluminium sulfate. This is aluminium sulfate. Okay. Now we can see the change. We can see the change, children. We can see the change. What do you expect, children? What do you expect?
Sir, aluminium will displace all the 3 metals.
Very good. Aluminium will displace all the 3 metals and it will form its own salt solution, that is aluminum sulfate, and the other metal will be deposited as a precipitate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What does this mean? What does this mean, children?
Aluminium
more
is
reactive.
more reactive.
More reactive than
Aluminium is more reactive than all 3.
Yes, all the 4. Aluminium is the most reactive among the given 4 metals. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth set. See, fourth set में what we have done, we have taken zinc sulfate aqueous plus aluminium solid. Second, FeSO4 aqueous plus aluminium solid. Then copper sulfate aqueous plus aluminium solid. Then aluminium sulfate aqueous plus aluminium. So here, will there be any change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Formation of aluminum sulfate and
Formation of
Yes, sir.
plus zinc metal will be deposited as
zinc solid.
state. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does this indicate? This indicates that aluminum is more reactive than zinc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in the second one, it will form aluminum sulfate aqueous plus iron will be precipitated out. Okay. And copper sulfate plus aluminum, what will happen? Aluminium sulfate aqueous plus copper solid. Okay. And what about the fourth? Will there be any reaction taking place?
No reaction.
No change.
No reaction. Okay. So based on this, we can conclude that aluminium, since aluminium can displace all the 3 metals from their respective salt solutions, so aluminium is the most reactive metal among the 4 given metals. Okay. Do you all agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please note down, everyone. All of us.
Noted, sir.
Noted, sir.
Anushika Parmar, please mute your mic. It is disturbing the class. Anushika Parmar. So after this, we can write, children. Oh, very good. Now see, we will write note. we will write the note, children, here, that since, please write down, since aluminium metal can displace all other three metals, three metals, that is zinc, copper and iron, from their salt solutions. So it is so we can conclude that what we can conclude, that aluminium is the most reactive
That aluminium is more reactive than all four.
reactive metal among the given four metals. Okay, any problem with this?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
now at the end we need to write down the order of decreasing reactivity of metals. So aluminum is the most reactive metal. After that, aluminum is the
Zinc.
most- then because aluminum is capable of displacing three metals from their salt solutions, then another metal which can displace two metals from their salt solutions was tell me.
Zinc.
Zinc. Very
Zinc.
good. So zinc is less reactive than aluminum. Then there was
Iron. Fe.
Iron.
Iron.
Okay, very good. And then
Copper.
copper is the least reactive. This is the decreasing order of reactivity of metals. Can you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Decreasing reactivity of metals. Decreasing reactivity of metals. Reactivity of given metals. Okay. Is there any problem, children? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now we have completed all the practicals for term 1. Now what you are supposed to do is note them down in your practical files, and I will create an assignment to upload these practicals in the Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
if you have
sir.
any problem, please
Yes,
ask.
sir.
Otherwise, we shall bind up the class. Okay, now I'm ending up the class. Thank you and have a nice day, children.
Thank you, sir.